We are going to study about part 2, chapter number 6, natural vegetation. Natural vegetation is that part of the plant life which grows independently in wealth without human aid. Okay. Natural vegetation kan ti chuan plant chi hrang te mihring chan puina tel lava an mani aram hnuai lo tho ho kha natural vegetation kan ti chu ni. Ta han kan sha tel tur chu class 9 a kan zir to nu flora and fauna kha flora kan ti chuan plant species ni ta a fauna ni chuan wild animals ani flora hi chi ni a an chena chung te chu endemic flora le exotic flora ni a plant species that have come from within the states or country itself is called endemic flora. Okay. On the other hand, plant species that have come from outside or foreign land is called exotic flora. Okay. Ram chung emo, state chung emo atanga plant species, plant chi hrang kan nei hawa kha endemic flora anti a. Rampon foreign countries atanga plant species, plant chi hrang kan nei hawa kha exotic flora anti ni. Exotic flora a hianin kan zirla in atarla na chuan example a chuan lantana kan ti te water hyacinth te parthenium te ni a. Lantana le water hyacinth hi a hming lema terror of Bengal ti an voa hi a chan chu an mani hi an tau thadu em a an pung chak em a ti nge river course kan ti te teng ka te le kanala te khan an pung hloi thina mi wang hianin har satna thlen thina an hming lema terror of Bengal ti an voa ni. Now vegetation types. Number 1, moist tropical evergreen and semi-evergreen forests. These forests are associated with hot and humid climate and are also known as rainforests. Okay. They cover 49% of the total forest area. Okay. Moist tropical evergreen and semi-evergreen forests kan te hi rainforest inan wa boka. Helai mo na hi nge alum anong koluma wangkhan nong humid climate kan te ang khan nei ni. India rama chuan moist tropical evergreen forest kan tiang hi 49%. Azaw kan neya chuan helai mona hianin rainfall kumtin 150 centimeters vel donga temperature hi 25 tanga 27 degrees Celsius in karvel ani boka humidity hi 75% aina sangani. They are very dense and have very little undergrowth due to deep shade. They are tall and trees often attain a height of 45 meters. Okay. Moist tropical evergreen forest kan te hi ramgo a hi a bit tha that em wangin a hnuai a hian hnim to kan te ang chi te kha aum thei me ulo ni a chuan thing reng po hi atlang puyan sang em a 45 meters an ni for hlomani. The timber produced in this forest is of fine and durable quality. They do not shed their leaves annually, at least not altogether. Okay. These lofty forests are known for the spice garden. Moist tropical evergreen forest atanga timber an lak chwa hawa hi achang the em a quality hi the em ani a fe the em ani chuan helai muna hianin thing kan ti ang chi hawa hi kumtuanin a hna hi atlakol ve ngai lo bok ani. Number 2, tropical moist deciduous forests. These are the typical monsoon forests. They form the natural cover nearly all over the country. Okay. These forests occur in areas with moderate rainfall of 100 cm to 150 cm, mean annual temperature of 26 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Okay. Tropical moist deciduous forest kan ti ahianin atlang pin rainfall hi 100 atanga 150 cm andonga temperature hi 26 atanga 27 degrees Celsius in kar ani boka humidity hi 60 atanga 80% vel ani boka ni. The trees shed their leaf during spring and early summer for about 6 to 8 weeks. They rise up to 25 to 60 meter in height and the undergrowth is much denser. Okay. Tropical moist deciduous forests thing te hi atlang puin spring le early summer in chanter hun karuk le kariat chung vel hianin an tlakol thina thing a hi asan zong a hi 25 atanga 60 meter in kar vel ani a anwaya hian hnim to neu neu kha om ve thin ani now number 3 tropical dry deciduous forests. These forests are found on every large area, rainfall of about 75 centimeter to 150 centimeters annual. 23 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius mean annual temperature. Okay. Tropical dry deciduous forests kan tia hian rainfall an don sa te hi 75 atanga 125 centimeters kumtluan hian donga temperature hi kumtluanin 23 atanga 27 degrees Celsius vel ani boka humidity hi 51 atanga 58 degrees Celsius ani bokani. They experience extensive leaf fall and forest appears as a vast grassland with naked trees all over. Okay. Large tracts of these forests have been cleared for agricultural purposes. Tropical dry deciduous forests at thing na te hi an tlakol sem ema achang chuanin forest hi grassland ang deuh thaw te khanin I alang thei thin ani thing na kha atlakol na sa thina wang khan chuan helai hmun a hi agriculture lo nei na atan khanin atam zo ka kha an mang na sa a ramngo kha an ti chereun sem emani. Now tropical thorn forests. These are found in areas where the rainfall is very low, that is 50 centimeter to 75 centimeter. Temperature is 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Tropical thorn forest a hianin rainfall ruatui an don dat zat hi atlema 50 centimeter atanga 75 centimeter vel donga temperature hi kumtuan in 25 atanga 27 degrees Celsius ani. Chuan humidity hi 45% ain aniam boka. India rama chuan tropical thorn forest kan ti hi Kutch te le Saurashtra mountain khata te kan mu a Punjab te Western Haryana te kan mu bokani. Due to short rainy season, widely scattered short thorny trees, mainly acacias, predominate. Trees are generally small, less than 6 meter high. During rainy season, short grasses also grow up. Okay. Rainy season nakha hemi huna hianin atoi thina wang khan hemi huna hian atoi thina wang khanin thorny trees kan ti hawa kha akhat ema acacias kan ti hawa kha an tawna se em thonga ni he forest a hian chuanin atlang puin thing kan ti ho te kha an hniama meter juk vel asang te an tlang puin meter ruk aya hniam te pokha atam zo kha ni rainy season chung hianin sword grass kan tiang chi te pokha tropical thorn forest a hian an tau thei bokani. Now tidal forest. This vegetation type can survive in both fresh water and salty water. They flourish well on the tide wash coast where mud and silt have accumulated. The delta of Ganga, Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna. Trees. Mangrove is the most important tree which reaches up to 30-meter height. It is important for fuel purpose. Tidal forest kan tia hi India rama chuanin Ganga delta te Mahanadi, Godavari le Krishna te kan hmu a atlang puin thing chawa hi tidal forest a hian mangroves an tlang puya 30 meter asang te an tlang puya eng mangrove kan te hi thing to atan an mang tangkai em ani. Now mountain forests. The climate changes that occur at higher altitude induce changes in vegetational characteristics. Ke kan soi to ang khanin climate kan zerlai kan soi to ang khanin altitude asan chuan temperature kha atla niam ve tial kan to kha khanin vegetation type kha enge ati danglam na sem emani. The Nilgiris and the Palni Hills in the south have a wet hill forest at 1,100 to 1,000 500-meter height. Higher slopes of Sahyadris and summits of the Satpura and Maikal hills also have this type of forest. Mountain forest kanti hi Nilgiri le Palni hills kanti munate khan kan mu atin chumi ba ka chuanin Sahyadris Tlangram hunate Satpura le Maikal hills kanti ate hianin mountain forest ka mu tur ombokani. Now forest policy and conservation of forests. India has a forest policy since 1894. It was revised in 1952 and again in 1988. The main aim of the forest policy of 1988 is protection, conservation, and development of forests. Forest policy kanti India ramina kan manchan kumahi 1894 ani a 1952 unrevised 1988 unrevised le ani. So in 1988 ina forest policy na aktumber chu ramgo ven him. Te ramgo ti maso na ka atumber ni. Now methods of conservation of forests. Planting of trees is an important measure of forest conservation. Felling of immature and young trees should be strictly banned. Awareness among the local people about the importance of forests may help in conserving forests. Chemical insecticides should be used to control diseases of trees. Forest fires are generally caused by negligence of human beings about which it is necessary to create an awareness. The substitute of wood may reduce the pressure of demand of forest. Recycled paper should be used. Ramgo ven him na turata na poi mo machu thingphun hi ani ta thingphun ka kan war tur ni a thing la upalo do pangte te kan tiang che te ki me lo tur ani tin vantlang zinga ramgo ti cherewina angong thei climate change athen te ya precipitation patana ti boy tiang song kha kan in shil sha ta kan in zerti ranga ya tin thing e chetu insect kan tiang che te athana lo man te kha kan war tur ani a ramgo ti kan laka khanin kan veng tur ani ramgo kang tur laka khan ramgo kha kan chan hima kan veng tur ani tin ramgo atanga thing kan lak ang che te paper kan ti ang che te ka te ang kha awanga ramgo kan ti cherewna ti kiamna atan khanin thing kan man changkai na anga changkai ve the tur ang chi a substitute kha kan ngai to chuak thiam tur ani. Now forest cover in India. In India at present, forests cover about 76.5 million hectares of land, which is about 23% of the total geographical area. India ram zaozong 23% chang hian India ramina ramgo kan zaozong 76.5% ni a ta hianin dense forests ramgo ka chang om kan ti to ka dense open mangrove kan ti te mo class 10 akan zer to ka dense forest zaozong kan nei hi 11.48% ni a open forest kan nei zaozong hi 7.76% ni. The actual forest cover in 1999 was only 19.39%. Of this forest cover, the reserve and protected forests share 54.43% and 29.18% respectively. Variations are found in both forest area and forest cover from state to state. India ramina ramgo kan nei zaozong hi 1999 khan 19.39% so ni a hemia hianin hemia tang hianin reserve forest hianin 54.43% o a protected forest hianin 29.18% o ni. India rama hian state chang ina ramgo kan nei zaozong hi a in thlau le bokani. That's all for today.